the sound of repairs in the Grove in Foley.
It happened so fast.
After winds blasted parts of the community Sunday.
She said, the roof's buckling. Just like that, it was gone.
Now part of their roof is in the trees lining their backyard while neighbors pull together to save what's left.
We lost our carport. We lost our the roof off their shed. We lost it will be lost, a porch.
And damage to my truck.
That story repeated over and over again after what officials believe were straight-line winds associated with that front that moved through the area Sunday afternoon.
Something from the neighbor's house hit the front of the house, and it hit the wall just like a boom.
This is what's left of somebody's screened-in porch. Porches and carports all now reduced to piles of debris, and all as many as 60 houses damaged.
Wonderful neighbors and other people from the community have been out cleaning up everything.
Pieces of a neighborhood piled up on the edge of the community, a reminder of the wrath of nature. But with every storm, a silver lining.
Nobody was hurt, and that's the main thing, because everything else could be replaced.
On the Baldwin County Beat in Foley, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.